Alright guys, Beaky Barrel's done.
Alright guys, we out here, Beacon Barrel, just wrapped it up. Hot boy summer, cool kid summer. Doing this outro. Yeah. Did I ruin your outro? Go over there and do the outro.
Okay, how about you do it?
I'll move. You can do it. So, we outside of Beacon Barrel. Cool kid summer. It's 100 degrees. It's nowhere near cool. But we're navigating this because I'm going to show you how to tear this park up in order. All right? So we came in. Hung a sharp left into Adventureland. We banging out all of Adventureland. I'm talking
Jungle Cruise.
Jungle Cruise.
The eighth wonder of the world, the amazing, the incredible, the spectacular, the awe-inspiring, getting up on the backside of water! O2H!
I'm talking Beacon Barrel. Cover your... I'm talking walking right past Aladdin's flying carpets and not going on that ride even though it was 5 minutes.
That was not fun.
Right?
Yeah.
So we just hopped out of Beacon Barrel. What do you think?
It's really good. So, I like this Coke. So, I'm going to give all those 10 out of 10.
So, the Coke is magnificent in the brass cup.
South Seas thingamabob.
South Seas is delicious. Sprite, guava, mango, and pineapple. Delicious. I had a margarita, which was bomb, or a margarita. Rude's in the cut. Rude, so it's up to the people. You're on. Thank you. And yeah, so we're going to continue on. We got Tiana's next. We are walking around this park in geographical order. We're not crisscrossing. It's too hot for that. Right?
Yeah.
Cool kid summer. Hot boy summer. Hot girl summer if you're talking about Rude. Right, Rude? You know what's next. It's Tiana. We are almost there.
Yeah.
We're almost there, Belle. Tiana's Bayou Adventure. It is hot. It is the perfect day for that. Almost there. Geographical order. After this, we're going to bang out Big Thunder because it's back open. We haven't been on this ride in 2 years. Pretty excited about it.
Is that the... Oh, I thought that was 250 minutes, bro. That's 25.
This is the most efficient and effective way to bang out this park. Geographical order, if you can. We do have DOS Pass, so that helps. You guys ready? Let's go.
Alligator bell.
Turn on the bayou.
Tiana was right. There are musicians out here and they are cooking.
Cooking.
There's a big leaf. I would love for y'all to play at my party.
Tearing up Frontierland. Just hit up Pecos Bill and got some beignets. Rude is trying to hide behind me. There she is. Big Thunder Mountain time. Haven't rode this in a couple years. Let's get it. it. Oh!
I think that's finished. Good job, Belle.
All right. What do you think? Worth a 2-year wait? All right, guys, so we're over here in the cut next to Hall of Presidents. Made our way out of Frontierland, tore it up. We skipped Country Bear Jamboree because Belle said she hates country music. Quick detour into the Christmas shop because I don't know if you guys know, but that place smells amazing. We're headed to Haunted Mansion. We are not breaking our rhythm. We stopped at Pecos Bill. Food was delicious. Beacon Barrel, make sure you subscribe to see the full review on the channel for that the last time we came. Always a great experience. Haunted Mansion is next. One of Rude's favorite rides. Rude is hiding from the camera this entire vacation. But we're going to catch her on camera at some point. Haunted Mansion, here we come. Belle said ciao.
Serpents and spiders, tail of a rat, call in the spirits wherever they're at. Rap on a tape, it's time to respond. Send us a message from somewhere beyond.
When we go scout to socialize.
Hey.
I like your diamonds on your teeth. They're so fancy. I want those. Oh, we're ready. We're straight into it. All right.
Hold on. All right, we got you.
Perfection. Wonderful. Absolutely.
They don't talk much.
Say something.
They don't talk.
Don't look too excited.
Ciao. All right, guys, we up here, top floor of the Pinocchio house in the middle of Fantasyland. Shout out to Bells for the pro tip. You want privacy, you want views, top floor, Pinocchio. Taking a break at Pinocchio's, top floor. Look at the views. Not too bad. Not too bad. Hey. Thank you. Are the kids on?
To Neverland!
You'll never reach that tree.
Oh dear, hang on tightly, Roo.
All right, guys, we posted up outside Cosmic Rays. If you made it this far in the video, I give you credit. You got way more attention span than I do. So I'm gonna split this video in two. We've made it through Adventureland, Frontierland, Fantasyland. It is Cool Kid Summer. It doesn't feel cool at all. We're gonna take a break. One thing about Magic Kingdom, there's a lot to do here. So we're heading over to the Grand Floridian. Make sure you stick around and subscribe so you can see our full review on Narcoossee's. But for this video, like we always say at this time, be sure to tell a friend, like, comment, subscribe. Till next time, holla.